Oh my God, I can't believe I can do that.
Hey, my name is Nicole Fiore, and I roller skate. You know the old school roller skates, 2 in front, 2 in back? Yeah, those ones. I'm gonna be teaching you how to roll and entertaining you along the way. Come roll with me.
So many of you reached out and asked if I could teach a 1-foot spin. A 1-foot spin you could do in many different ways, because you can do a toe stop spin in which I just put my toe down and like lightly have it pressed down on the ground and kind of do this motion. So if you look closely, whoa. Don't put your weight back. I kind of draw a circle like that on my toe stop. Mine are very worn down, so it's easy for me to just lightly press. But for some of you that have new ones, mine is like flat at the bottom because of this, because I use them so much to spin instead of actually doing edges. But you can spin on an edge. That is probably better for you, but when I'm outside and I don't want to eat, I use my toe stop. To do a proper 1-foot spin, how we teach in class and how you first begin to spin, it's on an inside edge, an inner back edge actually. So in a 3-turn, you press your outer edge to your inside edge. Now to get into a 1-foot spin, I kind of do a 3-turn. Doesn't need to be great, doesn't need to slide, but I kind of do that motion and then bring your foot around. I am not the best freestyle skater, never was, never will be, so I'm going to teach very basic how I personally do a 1-foot spin. Your foot, when you bring it around, you want to bring it into like a tabletop position. So you want to bring it like this. Let's first just press that edge real quick before we even try to spin it. And I advise you to go back and review your 2-foot spin. I have 3 videos out on how to do a 2-foot spin. Please review that before you jump into this one. Please. You want to focus your weight on the inside of your skate. Now again, if you can't make your skate do this and see your skate go to the inside, then you may want to loosen your action, but you want to force that to happen. So just like your 2-foot spin, making both feet do that, now just do it on your left foot and try to make that happen. Again, with pretty much everything else that's spinning, I'm spinning regular skating direction, so to my left shoulder. If you would like to spin to your right shoulder, literally just reverse everything that I'm saying for your right foot. Anyway, you want to press on that back wheel. So I say back wheel, but realistically it's like pressing right here to the inside of your foot. So that's where you want to press. And if you can't make it slide, again, you may need to loosen your action, but just do this for a little bit. Try to plant your right foot down. And then as you get used to this motion, try to put more weight into your left skate, because then when you get it around, and you can do this for the 2-foot spin and start to pick up your right foot. Don't just pick it up and hope that you'll be able to hold yourself up. Pick it up and transfer your weight over your left skate. And just try to do a little bit, like half a rotation. Once again, please, please, please try to keep your abs tight and your upper back tight, because if you get loose in any way, it's not going to work. Your arms, just like jumping, always want to bring them in like this over your chest. And then, when you're ready, you can combine the 2 moves. So you can do a 3-turn into your 1-foot spin, and then you will go from the outside edge, which is typically easier for everyone, from the outside edge on your left foot, 3-turn, bring the foot in to spin. Exit. When you land or when you exit a spin, you always want to put your right foot down, stretch your arms out, put your chest out in the air like you're super proud of what you've just done, chin held high, stretch your free leg out, and tell the world how amazing you are. Another way you can do it is by planting your toe stop back behind your other skate, bringing it around, and then tabletop. Check. I did not plan on teaching this soon, but a lot of you asked for it and sent me messages on Instagram, so I'm just trying to deliver. Please keep letting me know what you guys want to learn. There are so many options for things that I can teach you. It's ridiculous. I plan on getting up to like double axels, triple toe loops, triple side cows. So another thing that I want to kind of announce on here, 3 of our skaters, so I know a lot of you aren't from around here necessarily, but if you are in Southern California, 3 of our skaters are going to the World Championships in Spain in June. And it is really cool that there are 3 people from one rink. And we have a World Team fundraiser that is going to be June 12th at 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. So if you are in the area and you want to see some of the top skaters in the country and possibly in the world roller skate and perform for you, then please, please, please let me know and I will send you more details. But it's very exciting. Keep practicing those 2-foot spins and that 1-foot spin. There are multiple ways that you can do a 1-foot spin. There are like a bajillion spins in skating and more that are being invented. So get out there and please try to practice your 1-foot spins, keeping your weight solidly in the middle of your skate, keeping your core, keeping your back tight, and bringing that foot around to stand up on 1 foot. And I'll see you next week.
Well, wasn't that educational? Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel while you're at it. You know, if you want to learn how to be cool and not fall down so much.